I'm Brad Hosler.
And I'm Allie Hosler. We're your trusted gutter experts at DryTech Exteriors in Dayton, Ohio. When it comes to seamless gutters for your home or business in Dayton, it's important to understand what gutters are, why they aren't all the same, and why choosing the right gutter installation company matters.
Seamless gutters are just that, seamless, also known as continuous gutters. Seamless gutters are created from a single piece of material. They have not been sectioned off or divided into sections, and because of that, they don't require any sealing at the joints or seams. This makes them long-lasting, leak-resistant, and low maintenance compared to regular gutters.
Since seamless gutters have no seam, the chance of leakage is exponentially reduced, which is why they have become the most popular type of gutter. Seamless gutters are uniquely designed to the exact dimensions of your home and are installed in single pieces.
These single pieces are cut on site at your home or business using a special roll forming machine that is fed with sheets of aluminum, and their only connecting points are at the downspouts and corners. Now, what happens if you opt for traditional gutters over seamless gutters, or if they are incorrectly installed by a poor quality installer? This is crucial to understand. You could face leaks, poor gutter placement, wrong gutter placement, incorrect gutter size, damage to your property or roof during installation, and costly repairs to your siding or foundation down the road due to overflow. It's vital to choose a trusted gutter company with experienced professionals who are local, licensed, and insured, and follow industry best practices.
At DryTech Exteriors, we stand out in the gutter industry for several reasons. We have a whole team of highly skilled and experienced professionals who are committed to delivering top quality gutter services. We use the best materials and follow industry standards to ensure your gutters are installed correctly the first time. Plus, we offer warranties to give you peace of mind knowing your investment is protected.
For years, DryTech Exteriors has been voted Best of Dayton, the next door neighborhood favorite, and we were awarded the Better Business Bureau Eclipse Integrity Torch Award.
We have even earned the Owens Corning Roofing Platinum Preferred status, putting us in the top 1% of contractors in the entire country for customer satisfaction, quality, and financial stability. And DryTech Exteriors has received more 5-star reviews than any other Dayton roofing company.
In conclusion, seamless gutters are a reliable and cost-effective solution for your home. When done right by a professional team like ours, it can enhance the comfort, protection, and value of your property. Don't take risks with your gutters. Choose DryTech Exteriors for all your guttering needs. Contact our family business today for a free consultation or estimate.